Hi, Mary here with Mary Fenton Coaching. I am a life and career coach, and I specialize in helping women transition to a new job, career, or business. And this is step 5 in a 6-step process designed to help you take the stress and overwhelm out of this transition. It is a huge task, and so anything that I can do to help make that easier and give you a sort of a roadmap along the way is my goal. So this step is, again, step 5. It's the implementation phase. And this is where a lot of the action happens that you might have thought would have started in the very beginning. So a couple of things, because there's a lot to do for you in this stage. One thing that you can do is each day have a list of things to do and prioritize the top 3. Really give the most important thing at the top, and then the second, and then the third. Even if your list has 10 or 15 things, you just want to really focus on the top few and make sure that you accomplish the important things that will help you move the needle along in terms of getting to your goal. So because we have a few different categories here, people are looking for a new job or a new career or a new business, I'm going to kind of go through them in that order. So if you're looking for a new job, and a new career will fit in some of this as well. But for a new job, this is where you're going to want to start updating your resume. You can also, once you've done a one-over on it, get it to somebody else to get a second pair of eyes on it, whether that's a friend or a coworker or a professional resume writer or editor. You're also going to want to create some templates for cover letters. I know a lot of you will want to adjust each time you turn in a cover letter and maybe make it very specific to the role that you're applying for, but you want to have some templates ready to go so that you don't have to do it from scratch each time. If there is anything else that you're planning on submitting with this, such as a personal website or anything like that, then you can work on it at this stage. You also want to update your LinkedIn and any other social media that you might be sharing with a potential employer, and make sure that that reflects where you are currently in terms of your professional experience. And then you also want to make some profiles on some of the various job hunting boards. Indeed is one that we've talked about. LinkedIn is another that has a very easy job search feature. So if you already have a profile set up, you can do some faster application processes that way. So you want to get all of that set up as well in the beginning. You also want to start talking to people, friends and relatives who might have connections, job recruiters, and any other possible co-workers, any connections that you might have. You can reach out and start networking. And you can even set a goal. How many conversations am I going to have this week? How many reach outs am I going to do, either to potential recruiters or colleagues, people that might have some kind of know-how in the space that you're looking to enter. So also, if you're looking for a new career, this is the stage where you're going to enroll and pay and schedule any learning that might have to happen. So if you're going back to school for a degree or a certification or just a course that's going to give you skills, say for project management or some kind of programming or anything like that, you can get signed up, pay for those courses, get it on your calendar, find out how long it's going to take you overall. Talk to any friends, family, coworkers, bosses that might need to be aware that your schedule is going to be affected in some way at this time. And also find out, plan ahead. When is this going to end, and what's your next step going to be after that? After you've received that diploma or certification, what happens next? So, and then finally, if you're going to be opening a business, this is where you write your business plan, assess your finances, determine the legal structure, register with the IRS and government, purchase insurance if necessary, start to build your team, your branding, your marketing. You've got a million things to do. So this is where you start getting those things done, checking them off one after another. So that is basically it for the implementation stage. And there's a lot in terms of organization and goal setting and keeping on track in this stage. I definitely recommend having somebody that you can use as an accountability partner or a coach that can be there with you and make sure that you stay on track throughout this part of the process. See you in the next video.